Hi friends, IBPS Clerk Prelims paper number 101 explanation quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 131 onwards. Simplifications 700, 800, 1500, 64, 16, 80. 1580 minus 1200 will give us 380. Fourth option. 1700 by 13 square root of 169 also 13, so by 13 into 13 will get cancelled. 60% of 1700 means 1020 is your answer. Again fourth option. By 3 into 12 means 3 4s are 12. 4 207 times 828. 828 plus 16 844. Fifth option. 8 4s are 32. 128 4s are 512. 512 will get cancelled. So in place of question mark 33 will come. Square root of 484 means 22. 225 means 15. 22 minus 15 means 7. 7 13s are 91. 121 minus 91 will give us 30. Fifth option. Root 24 means 2 root 6. Root 24 nothing but 2 root 6. Root 6 get cancelled. 16 means 2 power 4 whole to the power of 2. 2 power 8. 2 power 4. Total 2 power 12. 2 power 12 by 2 means 2 power 11. Out of 11 already I am having 5 here. So in place of question mark 6 will come. 459 divided by 27 means 27 17s are 459. 27 square 729. 729 minus 17 means 712. 729 minus 17 means 712. 712 is equal to 1068 by x. So x nothing but 1.5. 1.5. Half of 712 is 306. So 712 plus 306 will give us 1068. Next, x percentage of 1764 divided by 2 into 2 square means 4 is equal to 4410. 2 times 2 2205 times. So 17 2205. 2205 is what percent of 1764 means 125%. 125%. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 1 by 3 is also known as 2 by 6. 2 by 6 plus 5 by 6 means 7 by 6. 7 by 6 means 1 by 6. Already I am having 1 by 5 here. 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 6 11. 7 11 by 30. Fourth option is your answer. Fourth option is your answer. 1.8 exactly 6 times 10.8. So numerator after decimal 3 places. Denominator after decimal 5 digits. So 2 extra digits in denominator. So 2 extra zeros will be added in the numerator. 21 600 times. 600 into 6 3600. Square root of 3600 means 60. So 60 by x is equal to 48. 12 4s are 12 5s are. X is equal to 5 by 4. Nothing but 1.25 is your answer. Next, if the age of P and R added to twice the age of Q, P and R added to twice the age of Q, 2Q, then the total becomes 59. If the ages of Q and R added to thrice the age of P, then the total becomes 68. And if the age of P is added to thrice the age of Q and thrice the age of R, then the total becomes 108. What is the age of P? They are asked to calculate. Age of P, they are asked to calculate. Okay. Simply, I would like to multiply the first equation with 3. First equation with second equation with 3. 3Q plus 3R plus 9p is equal to 368 times 360s are 180, 3 8s are 24, 204. Already we know that 3q plus 3r is equal to 108 minus p. So in place of this we can write down 108 minus p plus 9p is equal to 204. 8p is equal to 204 minus 108, 96. Then p is equal to 12 years. Age of p nothing but 12 years is your answer. Next. Average marks scored by the girls in a class is 40 and that by the boys in the same class is 30. The number of boys is more than the number of girls by 8. If the total score of the boys is equal to the total score of the girls, how many girls are there? Suppose if x girls are there, then boys became x plus 8. Why? Because boys are 8 extra. Average of the girls is 40, then total girls became x into 40. Average of the boys is 30, then total is x plus 8 into 30. Total average, total boys, total girls, total both are equal. Just find x. 4x is equal to 3x plus 24. X is equal to 24. X means number of girls. Next. The interest and when p rupees invested for 2 years at 8% simple interest is 240 rupees more than the interest and when half of the p rupees when invested for 2 years at 12% per annum simple interest. What is the value of p? For 1 year 8% means 2 years 16%. For 1 year 12% means 2 years 24% on p, but it is half of p, then half of 24 means 12% in second scheme. First one is 4% extra. That 4% value they given as 240 rupees. P means by default 100%. 6000 is your answer. Next. Cost to price of article B is 150 rupees more than cost to price of article A. Article A was sold at 40% profit. So article A was sold at 40% profit means selling price 140% of article A. Article B was sold at 20% loss. Selling price 80% of B. If the respective ratio of selling prices of articles A and B given as 7:6. What will be the selling price of article A if it is sold at 10% loss? 10% loss. Okay. 27 times 24 times 7 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Cost to prices of A and B are in the ratio of 2:3. Article B is 150 more than A. A 2 parts, B 3 parts means B is 1 part extra. That 1 part value nothing but 150. 2 parts value 300. 3 parts value 450. These are the cost prices of A and B. But they don't ask us what is the cost price of A. What will be the selling price of article A if it is sold at 10% loss? So 10% loss means 30 rupees loss means selling price of article A 270 rupees. A bike covers a distance of 576 kilometers with one third of the petrol required to fill the tank of a car. If the mileage of the bike is 72 kilometers per liter and the cost of the petrol per liter is 73 rupees, what amount is required to fill the tank of the car? Mileage of the bike is 72 kilometers per liter. Then to cover 576 kilometers, total 8 liters are required. These 8 liters are nothing but one third of the capacity. 8 liters are nothing but one third of the capacity of petrol tank. So if one third is 8 liters, complete tank is 24 liters. Capacity of the petrol tank is 24 liters. 1 liter cost given as 73 rupees. Then 24 liters cost is 24 into 73 rupees. Ending with the 2, 1752 is your answer. 1752 rupees is your answer. The average of the present ages of ABC given as 25 years. ABC average 25 means total 75 years. 3 years ago, average of B's age and C's age at that time was 18 years. 3 years ago 18 means present average 21. Present average of B and C 21. Total of B and C 42. Then A's present age nothing but 33 years. What will be A's is 9 years hence. Present age 33. 9 years hence means 33 plus 9, 42 is your answer. Profit end on selling 2 items of an article is 120 lesser than end on selling 3 items of the same article. If the profit end on selling each item was 20%, what is the cost price of the article? Note, selling price was same while selling all the items of the articles. On one item 20%, then 2 items 40% profit, 3 items 60% profit. 40%, 60% difference, 20% value given as 120. So 20% value 120, cost to price means by default 100%. 600 is your answer. The respective ratio between the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream is 17:2. M is to S given as 17:2. 17:2. If it covers 85.5 kilometers downstream in 4 hours 30 minutes, downstream means M plus S. 85.5 kilometers in 4 hours 30 minutes means 4.5 hours. 4.5 means 9 by 2. 9 9s are 81, 9 5s are 45. Nothing but 19 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of the boat upstream? M plus S, 17 plus 2, 19 parts value 19. Upstream means M minus S, 17 minus 2, 15 parts. If 19 parts value 19, then 15 parts value 15. Answer is 15 kilometers per hour. The ratio between the values of the area of a rectangle and its perimeter is 15:4. 2 of L plus B, area perimeter of the rectangle 2 of L plus B, and area of the rectangle LB, ratio given as 15:4. Area of the rectangle to its perimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 12 meters, what is the area of the square whose side is equal to the length of the sum of the length and breadth of the rectangle? Breadth is 12, length into 12 by 2L plus 2 12s are 24 is equal to 15 by 4. 3 5s are 3 4s are. 16L is equal to 10L plus 120. L is equal to 20. Already we know breadth value 12. Side of the square is equal to sum of length and breadth 32. Then what is the area of the square? A square 32 square. 1024 is your answer. 1024 is your answer. Next. A and B started a business. The amount that A invested was 80% more than that B invested. Suppose if B invested 100%, A invested 180%. Why? Because 80% extra. And the period for which B invested 3 times of which A invested. If A invested for 1 year, then B invested for 3 years. 100, 200 will get cancelled. 2 9s are 2 5s are. 3 1 time 3, 3 times. Profit ratio 3:5. 3 plus 5, 8 parts. Share of B is 5 out of 8. 5 by 8 into 4,800. Nothing but 3,000 is your answer. Number series, reasoning faculty will explain. Look at pie chart. Distribution of total number of students, male and female, studying for 5 subjects: English, Quant, Reasoning, General Awareness and Banking in Sridhar's Coaching Center in June 2020. reasoning, English, general awareness, banking, quant. Total number 1200. The respective ratio between the number of females and that of males studying quant is 11 is to 7. What is the number of females studying quant? Number of females studying quant. Okay. Total quant is 24%. So as 1% value to total is 1200. In that 24%. So 24% means 288. 25% minus 1%. 300 minus 12. 288 in the ratio of 11 is to 7. 11 plus 7, 18 parts. In that 18 parts, females are 7 parts. 7 by 18. 18 1 times, 18 6 times. 7, 16, 7s are 112 is your answer. 18 1s are 18, 108 means 18 6 times. Number of females studying quant. Yes. Quant section is 24%. So 24 into 12 has 1% value 12 in the ratio of 11 is to 7. 18 parts out of females are 7 parts. 7 by 18. 6 3s are 6 4s are 3 4s are 4 4s are 16 7s are 112. Yes, answer is 112 but no option. What is the central angle corresponding to the number of students studying general awareness? General awareness is 18%. As 1% value 3.6 degree, then 18% means 18 into 3.6. 8 6 are 48. Answer ends with 8. So many options. 18 3s are 54 degrees. 18.6 times 10.8. 54 plus 10.8. 64.8 degrees. In July 2020, the total number of students studying all the given subjects together increased by 20% as compared to the previous month. What is the total number of students studying all the given subjects together in July 2020? In June 2020, 1200. In July, it was increased by 20%. In 1200, 20% means 240 increases. So our answer is 1440. Out of the total number of students studying English, 55% are females. What is the number of males studying English? So 55% is our females. English. English is 20%. So 20% means 240. So in that 240, 55% were female. Then males are nothing but 45%. So 120 minus 12, 108 is your answer. Next. In an examination, out of the total number of students studying reasoning, 313th failed. What is the number of students studying reasoning who passed in the examination? Reasoning 26%. So 26% means 312. In that 3 by 13th were failed, then passed were 10 by 13. 13 2s are 26, 13 4s are 52. 240 candidates were passed. Quadratic equations. 8 7s are 56. Minus 8 minus 7 will give us minus 15. Finally plus 8 plus 7. Y cube 729. Y value plus 27. X less than Y. Sorry, 7 cube is 29. Sorry, 9 cube is 729. So Y value 9. So Y value 9 means even though X less than Y is your answer. 5 2s are 10. X value 5 comma 2. 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 minus 3 will give us minus 8. Finally plus 5 plus 3. Greater than less than, no relation is your answer. Plus or minus 6 is X value. Y value 6 5s are 30. Plus 6 minus 5. Plus 6 plus 5. Equal less than. Whereas plus 6 minus 6. Compare plus 6 with 5 means greater than, no relation. 11x minus 7x, 4x is equal to 16, x is equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus 3, greater than, x greater than y. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, Minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7. Finally, plus 4 plus 3. 4 by 2 means 2. 3 by 2. 10 2s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Minus 5 minus 4 will give us minus 9. Finally, plus 5 plus 4. 5 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. 5 by 2, 2. Less than, equal, less than, less than. X less than or equals to y is your answers. Thank you.